Hello everyone. Our today's topic is marketing features which are available within Dynamics 365 Sales. Today we will learn about marketing list, quick campaign and campaign. Let's start demonstration with marketing list. Click on new. List type static and dynamic. First of all we learn about static list, then we talk about dynamic list. You should choose static list only if you prefer to add and update members manually. A marketing list can only include any one type of customer, either lead or account or contacts. In our case, let's take account. You can also fill other fields as per your business requirement. Let's save the marketing list. Now we have to add members to marketing list. First option is add using lookup. Since we have chosen account as target, so it is showing me all the accounts. I can choose and add. Also, I have to use option of using advanced find. I may give some option. I can choose only selected one and add only selected, or I can add all. Similarly, if you want to remove some members, you can remove using advanced find. In case you want to re-evaluate your members, you can click evaluate using advanced find. Again, we can give the query and execute the query and take the action further. Please notice that on top of this, it's giving me option of use saved views. So it's showing me all the views. This is one of the view made by me, Redmond Gold customers. Condition is all the accounts where address city is equal to Redmond. I want to keep all. In this way, you can add or remove members to your marketing list. Please notice that in this marketing list, we have total 8 members based on the condition address one city equal to Redmond. Please notice that the list type is static. It means if I add more members, let me create a new account. Let me go back to my marketing list. Still only have 8 members. Although I have added a new account with city Redmond. Reason being, the marketing list is of type static. You can see that you can add remove member from this option. If you think your marketing list is finalized, this option logged. You can click yes and save. Now you don't see option of adding removing members. I hope it's clear to you. Now we'll talk about dynamic list. This time we're taking it as dynamic. Target as account. When I click on members, click on manage members. Here I can use either view or define advanced query. A dynamic list are the written list of members dynamically based on search criteria. Let me choose the same view. I have total 9 rows. Let's create a new account. Now dynamic list have 10 members, whereas static list still should have only 8 members. So here we learned how to make a marketing list, and as per your requirement you can make a static marketing list or a dynamic marketing list. From marketing list itself you can create campaignings or quick campaignings. Let's talk about quick campaigning first. A quick campaigning is a single campaigning activity for a marketing list. When you create a quick campaigning list, it starts a wizard. As I mentioned earlier, in quick campaigning, you can only include one activity. Let's choose email, and you can assign activity to yourself or other team members. Please also notice carefully this checkbox. Mark email message to be sent and close corresponding email activities. If your CRM is configured with Exchange properly, so it can create emails and also send on your behalf. If you remove this list, it will only create email and will not send. Let me assign it to me. Click on next. You can choose template if you already have. Please notice that you can also share unsubscribe link in your emails. Next, create. When you create a quick campaigning activity, an activity is created for each member in the marketing list. Let me refresh the screen. You can see that we have strategism as completed. Also, we have 1 success and 7 failures. Go to activities. On timeline under summary, you can also see this activity. Let's create a new quick campaigning for this marketing list. You can see at this time we don't have option which we saw at time of email activity. You can see under status it is pending. Let's refresh after a few seconds. Now we can see in this case we have 7 success and 1 failure. You can also see these activities over here. As I mentioned earlier, a quick campaigning is single campaign activity for marketing list. If you need to perform more than one activity for a campaigning, we will cover that in standard campaigning very soon. Before that, let's talk about difference between quick campaigning and standard campaigning. Here you can see a quick campaigning is only about a single activity. Whereas in campaigning, you can capture a lot of information, you can perform planning activities, and you can also perform multiple activities within same campaigning. Let's see with demonstration. A campaigning like a project, we can capture a lot of information like budget and expenses, promotion code, target products, marketing collateral, including sales literature. Let's see how. Any value as per your requirement and other parameters as per your choice. As I mentioned, a campaigning is like a project which also include planning activities. Planning activities you perform before the launch of campaign. Now let's add some campaigning activities. In channel we can choose any of the option. Let's choose email. Start, schedule end, actual end. Dates are not mandatory, but filling this field will help you out and get better reporting. Please notice anti-spam settings. Here you can enter the frequency cap in days for marketing activities. Content that have been contacted recently, then this will be excluded from new campaign activity distribution. You can choose any value like 1, 2, 3, but you can also mention 0 if you want to disable the limit. So as of now I am putting 2 days. Let me save it. Let me make a new marketing list for this campaign. All the contacts where email contains Alpine. Okay, now we have 5 contacts. 7 close. Now we have a new marketing list, Alpine contacts, type dynamic for contacts. Let me go back to my campaign. Let me add this list over here. Here we have two options to campaigning only. In this case, this marketing list will only associate with campaigning. It means this marketing list will associate with campaigning and all the undistributed campaign activities. Let me show you both one by one. Choose this one as of now. You can see for this campaigning, this marketing list is attached. This is my campaigning activity. Here this list is not attached. So what I'll do again, at campaigning level, if I choose this option to campaigning and all undistributed campaigning activities, click add. Now we have at campaigning level and also at campaigning activity level. After this, we have to distribute campaigning activity. It is same as earlier, assigned to me, mark email address to be sent, and close corresponding email activities. Please check status pending. Let's wait for some time. Let's refresh. You can see as in Alpine contacts, we have 5 contacts. Now we have 5 emails over here. On campaigning itself and timeline, you also see this campaigning activity. Under activities, you can see this emails over here as well. As I mentioned, in quick campaigning, you can only include one activity, but under campaigning, you can include multiple activities under same campaigning. Let me create a new campaigning activity. You can see Alpine contact marketing list is attached now itself. Click on distribute, distribute. Status pending. Refresh after a few seconds. Now you can see that under this campaigning, you have 2 activities. When you have performed all the activities, please make sure to close campaign activities to capture more information about campaign. For obvious reason, we do marketing to generate leads and get more business. So we can have option over here for campaigning responses. This response is based on this campaigning. Let me save it. Click option convert campaign response. You have option over here, create a lead, convert to existing lead, create quote order opportunity, or close response. Let me create an opportunity from here itself. Now my response is closed and my opportunity form is open. Let me add some products from here. We can see the estimated revenue for this opportunity, this one. Let me close as one. Let's go back to campaigning. Let's check the report of the campaigning performance. So it's all about our campaigning. So you can see complete journey of planning, execution of campaigning and getting business from this. If you think this campaigning is good and you want to use it again, you can copy as campaigning. So we have discussed how to create marketing list, quick campaignings and campaignings in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. If you require more than this, then you need to buy another product from Microsoft, which is Marketing Customer Insights. This is standard product for marketing by Microsoft Dynamics. Thanks for watching. To see more such demonstrations, please subscribe to my channel. You can also contact me on my email address or on my website, which I have given in description. Thank you.